Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be sharing the recipe for this jollof rice. I call it native party jollof rice. To get the particular taste I needed in this rice, I went for a fatty beef. Alright, so this is me just seasoning with some garlic, some thyme, fenugreek powder, fennel seed powder, some salt, add water and allow it to cook. All right, so I have to cook it very soft. And here is tomato, fresh tomato and some pepper, which I already blended and put to the pot to cook it dry, let the water dry up completely. And here it has dried. So now I just transfer the tomato paste into the pot and add some red oil. Yes, this is what the part that makes it a native rice because I'm using red oil to cook it. Okay, so add some red oil, just a little quantity is fine. You don't need to add too much. And here I'm adding some onions and garlic paste, just a little bit garlic and lots of onions to get that unique taste I want. I use lots of onions. And here is my beef stock, which I'm going to transfer into the pot of the tomato. As you can see, it's already I'm not frying it, just kind of allow it to simmer for 2 minutes before I go ahead and add the beef stock. And here are the spices I'm using. Here I have some curry, some thyme, fennel seed powder, fenugreek seed powder, some sea salt and normal salt. So I add everything together and give it a stir, allow it to boil before I now go ahead and add the parboiled rice. After I've added the parboiled rice, give it a stir and allow the rice to cook while covering the pot. Yes, I cover it and allow it to cook. And when it has kind of cooked, almost soft, almost done, and I'll just go ahead and open the pot. As you can see here, it's already looking so delicious. I'll go ahead and add some crayfish powder. When the rice is almost done, so I add the crayfish powder, still cover it and allow the crayfish to cook properly. So this is a beef. I'm going to prepare it. Inside the pot, I have some pepper, garlic and onions blended together with some vegetable oil or olive oil. Most times I use olive oil, coconut oil, but I think in this case I used olive oil. So I just heat up the mixture and put the beef inside and allow it to kind of fry, so to say. And here is a rice, the jollof, properly cooked, so delicious, so delicious. While cooking it, I intentionally allow the food to burn a little bit so it will give me that party taste, that bottom pot taste. Yes, and I got exactly what I wanted. So this is a rice, a native party jollof rice, looking so appetizing. Don't you want to have a taste of it? I bet you'll try this recipe and tell me in the comment section how yours came out. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.